9 times out of 10, when your nitrogen or stout faucet is not pouring as it should, it's due to a clog in your jet disc. Luckily, this is an easy fix. It's very apparent when you have a clog in your system due to the lack of force when serving a nitro beverage. It will come out very slow and you will likely no longer be getting that nice cascading pour. Simply unscrew the nozzle tip and look inside at the jet disc. This is where the majority of clogs happen. A normal functioning jet disc will have a clean surface and you'll be able to see the 5 tiny pinholes. To clean, begin by rinsing out any debris that you might see inside. Then, using a small flathead screwdriver or other tool, gently remove the O-ring that's holding the jet disc down. Below the jet disc, you'll notice the regulation cone. We recommend soaking all these parts in a recommended cleaner per the manufacturer's instructions. Once clean, you can rinse with warm water, then reassemble the same way you took it apart. Regulation cone in first, jet disc on top. Lastly, insert the O-ring and gently use the tool to push it down on top of the jet disc to secure in place. Next, reattach to your nitro faucet and you're back in business.